day to all. My name is Neha, a student of BCom final year, and today I am going to share my views on the topic post-COVID-19 challenges on economy, society and education. Here is hardly any area which remained untouched with the pandemic, and economic damage caused by it is far greater than caused by 2008 global financial crisis. Chief Economic Advisor K.V. Subramaniam said that the demand of inflationary goods has gone down. And according to some estimate, rupees 4.2 lakh crore of additional borrowings by the Indian government will push the fiscal deficit to 5.8% of GDP in next year. And it is expected that GDP will contract over 2% in Latin America and 3% in Colombia, Brazil and Mexico. Indian chemical sector will highly impacted due to non-availability of raw material from China. Corona poses a challenge to business models and growth rates of Ola and its American rival Uber. But here is a silver lining to the dark clouds, because many people are serving selflessly. RBI has reduced the repo rates and many businesses might have to reduce the prices to sell the inventory. Our society are also facing a lot of problems as wages and job guarantees are lacking. Countless workers in India have walked thousands of miles home, many dying in accident along the way. Sonu Sood is a real hero who arranged the buses and flights for the migrant laborers. But Indian transportation, supply chain and logistics will face highly challenges because many migrant laborers has refused to return back to the cities. But during the period of pandemic, many people realized the importance of farmers and resources. Men realized how women worked at home full day without any pay. Due to lockdown, all the worships are closed. And now people have to think, is God not helping them? Is God is only in religious places? No. Some people start following the path shown by Guru Nanak. The pandemic has caused 1.6 million students out of the school in 161 countries. Online teaching system has adopted by all the educational centers, and apps like Unacademy is here for all the students who are preparing for competitive exam. But in poor countries, many children do not have internet connectivities, laptops, smartphones and even a supportive parents. Abroad study plan of several students has been shuttered down. And final year students of India and abroad facing a lot of problems with no clarity of jobs. But the way India tackled the problem is appreciating by one and all. And we can prevent and come out of this problem by avoiding social gathering and maintaining social distance and keep ourselves hygienic. Thank you.